El Toro Marine Base, Irvine, California, also known as the Gymkhana Playground. We were invited down by Ford to check out their new Fiesta rally car, as Tanner Foust, Brian Deegan, and Kenny Brack put this 2.0-liter 800 horsepower rocket through its paces in preparation for the 2009 X Games.
The Rockstar Fiesta actually technologically is crazy. I mean, it's a crazy car. An amazing amount of research and development goes into these things. This 2-liter 4-cylinder is making 800 horsepower, getting over 50 pounds of boost. So it's pretty mind-boggling. Now then you throw in the fact this is all-wheel drive and it'll do 0 to 60 in 2 seconds flat. This is a pretty heavy car to hold on to. X Games is a pretty tricky event, you know, because you have not only this really tight, like almost a rat in a maze type section through the slippery tarmac where it's concrete on both sides, but then you drop into the stadium. Okay, so when you drop in, you hear the roar of the crowd, and the reason why they're screaming is because there's this 70-foot gap jump. It's a little bit nerve-wracking because we haven't jumped the cars yet, so we won't find out how the cars fly until Sunday. So all we can do for the next 4 days is get every other part of the track dialed and then cross fingers when we hit the ramp.